Pig farming is one of the most lucrative business you can ever do in Kenya. In Western Kenya, especially in Busia County, if you walk in most home, you'll be able to see that people are rearing 1 or 2 pigs in each home. The reason is because pigs means ready money, and that is what most people have not realized, because if you have 1 pig or 3 pigs in your home, then if you have a problem that requires 15,000, 20,000, pig is ready, has a ready market in Busia County, because it's one of the most consumed meats in Busia County and Western region and the entire country. So whenever you have a pig and you want 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, then be sure that the market for you is readily available. So today I took some time and visited this farmer who started a project 8 months ago, and what I have seen is amazing, because this is one farmer who has said that he's going to make this into a multi-million project. And remember, viewers, he just started using simple materials. As you can see, he just used timber and some reused mabati to build the structures, but now in 7 months he has been able to nurture very, very big and amazing pigs. Remember, he decided to go the high quality breed way, and the high quality breed way is paying off. As you can see, those are some of the pigs that he has in his farm, and this project is going to pay in the long run, because now most of his pigs have started giving birth. So we are going to walk through the journey of this farmer, and I'm going to show you the different breeds that he has, because he has some very good quality breeds. You know, most farmers decide to go for the local variety which does not grow, because now if you check, these are 8 months old breeds that have started giving birth. Apart from the one, there is one which is bigger, which is a bit older, but the others are all 8 months. So these ones that you can see there, those are 8 months old pigs. This one, if you take them to the market, you get around 15 to 25k, depending on how well you can negotiate and how desperate the buyer is, because sometimes the buyers are desperate, because pork has a ready market in Busia County, in Budalangi, in Bunyala, in Nambale, in all sub-counties of Busia County. You can get that pork is a ready market product. So many people are looking for these pigs. These are all 8 months old pigs. As you can see, they look amazing. These are large white. You can see that this one has already given birth. It has already given birth. So this one is an 8 months old pig that has given birth to 5 children. It gave birth yesterday. So viewers, I'm also going to show you in our other videos how to create that formulation that you have just seen there, because this farmer has decided to do his own formulation of feeds, and it's very nutritious, and it's just equivalent of what is sold in the shops. So you can be able to also make your own feeds. Look at those babies, large white babies. The father to these babies is a P90 variety. So you can see those are the babies of this pig. They were born yesterday is when they were born. Yeah, so that is our 8 months old. Is already paying off. And remember, one piglet is 8,000. One piglet is 8,000. So remember, one piglet is 8,000 because this one is a high quality breed. You can only buy a piglet at 8,000. The Kenyeji ones usually go for 1,500 to 2,000, and there's a cross breed which usually goes for around 4,000 to 6,000 or 3,500 to 6,000. So here we have the best and interesting part of this all is that this farmer has male pigs. These are male pigs which are used for mating. So if you have your pig and you want it to mate, then you can bring it here and he do the mating for you. So it's also another business inside the business. So if you have a female pig and you want to do mating, you can bring it into his farm and he conducts the mating for you. He has 2 varieties of pigs there, male pigs for mating. He has a variety called P90, that one that you can see on your left. The first one, that one is P90. You can see it. It's a very, very big breed. And the other one, the tall and the tall one, and the one which is on the end, that one is large white. That is large white. So he has 2 varieties of male pigs that are usually used for mating. he has what we call the P90 and the large white. So those are two varieties that he uses for mating. So if you bring your female pig here, he can be able to do mating for you. So it's one of the business. The cost of doing the mating currently for the hybrid is around cash 3,000. So if you can be able to get good clients in a month, you can also get some good amount of money that can help you to buy feeds. We are going to talk about the cost of feeds later, because the cost of feeds for a month is usually around 15,000. So to feed all this is 15,000 per month. You can see these are other 8-month-old pigs that have already given birth. You can see this one has 3 children. So it gave birth to 5 children, but 2 of them passed away due to the extreme weather. But remember, he usually makes sure that they are vaccinated. You need to make sure that the teeth are clipped, and you can see that their tails have also been cut. So it's one of the rituals in pig farming. Maybe next time when we have a one-on-one interview, because the owner was not around, we'll be able to ask more questions about the rituals and why these steps are important for pigs and in pig farming. So you can see he has a water system. Remember, pigs love water. So it's always nice to have a simple water system whereby the pigs can be able to drink water directly from the tank using nipples, so that, because when the pigs drink a lot of water, they are able to grow very fast. And he told me that in the past he did not have the water system, and the pigs were not growing as fast as they are doing now. So having a water system is also very important, so that the pigs can drink water whenever they want. Not the water that you pour for them inside containers. No, they need to have that ability to be able to drink directly whenever they need to drink water. So you can see that they have developed there a good water system for the pigs. So whenever the pigs want to drink water, they can just drink directly from the nipples, which are the outlet for the water from the tank. So this is the project. The feeds cost around 15,000. They are usually made. There's a formula for making the feeds and making sure that it's balanced. So this farmer has 2 male pigs which he uses for mating. So that is another side of the business that you can also venture in, because you also need to make sure that you have a male pigs that can do mating for your pigs, and also for the community pigs, which people pay 3,000 per pig that comes to do mating with the hybrid. So the 2 hybrids are P90 and what we call large white. So we have there, that is the mother pig. That one has already given birth twice in the 7 months since this project was started. So in the first round it gave birth to 9 children. 9 children are in the Rex room. Remember the children that you are seeing, which were many in one room, those are the first children, the first piglets of this pig. So this pig has already given birth twice. So the first time it gave birth to 9 piglets, the second time 11 piglets. So this farmer has a total of 20 piglets from this one mother pig. So you can see that one pig has already brought in 20 piglets, and he already has 20 piglets in this small farm. 20 piglets, let's assume he rears them for 7 months and he sells for 20,000. That is already how much? 20,000 times 20, that is around 400,000. Those are the 9 pigs I was telling about. Those are the piglets for that mother pig. These one are the ones which were born around they are around 5 months. I think 5 months. Yeah, they're around 5 months. Yeah, so these are the pigs that were born by the same mother pig. So this pig has already given this farmer 20 piglets. So I think the farmer has decided not to sell. I think he wants them to grow up, and maybe he will sell them once they reach the value that he wants for his pigs. So you can see that already one female pig has already given him 20 piglets. And it's good business, and they look healthy. They are amazing. These are around 5 months old piglets, 5 to 6 months, I think. 5 to 6 months old. Yeah, so those are the piglets there, you can see. So what he told me is that he wants to do an extension, because the space is a bit limiting to him, and he wants to do an extension so that his pigs can have a larger space. So the space is something that has been also hindering his development, but he's working on it and to ensure that the pigs have larger space. So viewers, please remember to subscribe to our channel. This is OBS. So leave a comment, tell us what do you think, and see you on the next video. Thank you for watching, and see you.